In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're refining your advertising strategy or troubleshooting a problem, sometimes starting fresh is the best course of action. So let's dive into the process of resetting your Facebook Ads Manager, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your central hub for managing not only ads but also pages and the people who work on them. If you're not already familiar, the Facebook Business Manager is a tool designed to help you manage your business's Facebook presence more efficiently. Once you've arrived at the Business Manager homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the option to log in with Facebook. This step is pretty straightforward, just use your usual Facebook credentials. It's important that you're logging in with an account that has administrative access to the Ads Manager you wish to reset, so make sure you're using the correct account. After successfully logging in, you will be presented with your account options. Now, I know you're eager to get to the resetting part, but taking the extra second here to ensure you're proceeding with the correct account can save you from any unwanted mishaps down the line. Next, locate the Ads option on the lower left panel of the screen. This shortcut will take you closer to your goal. The interface might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're moving step by step. Clicking on Ads will reveal the much anticipated Ads Manager button. Go ahead and click on it. The Ads Manager is where all the magic happens, from campaign creation to analyzing performance data. But today we're focusing on giving it a clean slate. Now you're going to look for the Account Overview section. Usually this can be found easily within the Ads Manager interface. The account overview gives you a snapshot of your account's performance, including spending and results. However, it's also the starting point for our reset process. At this stage, you should see 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen. It might seem innocuous, but this tiny symbol is your gateway to resetting your Ads Manager. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu packed with various options. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find the option labeled Reset Ads Manager. It might give you a moment's pause. Resetting means clearing data and starting anew after all. But if you're sure this is the right course of action for your needs, clicking on Reset Ads Manager is the next step. After you click Reset Ads Manager, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This step is crucial because it serves as a final checkpoint. Resetting your Ads Manager will clear configurations and data, providing a fresh start, but it also means saying goodbye to any existing structures you might have built. Take a moment to ensure this is what you want, and if so, proceed with the reset. And there you have it. Once you confirm, the system will work its magic, resetting your Ads Manager to its default state. It's like having a clean canvas for your advertising campaigns, offering you the opportunity to reorganize or strategize from scratch without past configurations getting in the way. Before we close, a few parting tips. Resetting your Ads Manager isn't a step to be taken lightly. Consider if the issues you're facing can be resolved through other means before opting for a reset. However, if a fresh start is what you're after, following these steps will ensure a smooth and effective reset process. Remember to take your time with each step, ensuring you're making informed decisions about your account. And don't forget, resetting your Ads Manager doesn't affect your billing, payment methods, or the access levels of people you've assigned to work on your ads. It's purely about giving your campaign structures and settings a clean slate. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to reset your Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're aiming to troubleshoot issues or simply wishing to start afresh, I hope this guide has made the process crystal clear and manageable. Happy advertising, and I look forward to our next digital rendezvous, where we'll tackle more tools and tips to enhance your online presence.